Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Madison. I'm so happy you're here. Today's video is very exciting for me because it's going to be a new series on my channel. I'm going to have a new Clean With Me series. I am personally so excited just because these are some of my all-time favorite videos to watch, and finally I get to make them for you guys. These are the type of videos that I could sit in bed and watch and they would help me fall asleep because they're just so soothing and satisfying to watch. Or it's the type of video that makes me want to get my butt up and be productive and clean my whole house too. So I want to be that for you guys, whether this is just something that you can chill out, zen out and watch in bed, or maybe you need someone to kind of motivate you to get up and clean your whole house too. My boyfriend Kyle and I just bought our first house together. We just moved to St. Louis, Missouri. We are in love with it. We're so happy to be here, and we are hosting a housewarming party for all of our family and friends this weekend, which means I really need to get it together. I have been busting my butt all week just to get the house ready, just to kind of get in final decorations, which I'm going to show you guys a lot of decor ideas this video as well. I'll show you guys some house updates. If you're new around here, I'll show you the entire house so you can kind of get a peek at everything that we've done. We just moved in a couple weeks ago, so we have been busy over here, but this video needed to happen because obviously you want your house to be nice and clean whenever your guests, your family and friends come to see it, especially because most of them are coming to see it for the very first time. So whether you're chilling in bed or you want to get up and be productive and clean with me too, this video is for you. We are going to deep clean the entire house: living room, kitchen, bathroom, bedroom, office, and let's go ahead and get started. Starting off by showing you guys just a peek around the house and all the work we have to do. It's definitely not super dirty by any means. We just moved in a couple weeks ago, but we have some dishes. We need to tidy up the house. I want to deep clean for our guests coming on Saturday. I just want it to be super nice and clean and look presentable for whenever we have people coming over to see it for the first time. Now, starting off with some decor, Kyle and I just recently put these new little shadow box shelves on our walls, and I really wanted to decorate them a cute way, so I thought I would show you guys in this video how I did that. I ended up going to Home Goods because we love a good Home Goods haul. This is all from Home Goods: the picture frames, the plants, the decor pieces, and I ended up just grabbing a few things that I thought would fit these shelves perfectly and look really nice yet minimal in the hallway. I didn't want anything too big, too gaudy, nothing that people would hit when they're walking by. So this is kind of how they turned out. I may adjust things as we go, but so far I'm really loving these. I decided to tackle the living room first just because there wasn't much to do. I just needed to put away some blankets, kind of tidy up the couch a little bit, and that was pretty much it for the living room. To me, there is no better way than to commence a cleaning day than by lighting my favorite candle. Taking a quick break from all of the cleaning and preparing for the party on Saturday to tell you guys about the way that I invited all of my guests to the party on Saturday. It was the most fun way to do it. This video is sponsored by Evite. Evite is a way for you to send and create your own personalized invitations to people online. I personally am so excited to be working with them because this was such a perfect time for them to come into my life. I knew I wanted some creative, fun way to invite all my family and friends to our housewarming party this weekend, but sometimes going through and handwriting invitations can take a lot of time, and Evite makes it a lot more simple. You can go online, you can personalize them, you can pick from all of their different designs. There's so many for every single occasion, whether it's a housewarming party or a graduation party or a birthday party. They have something for every single occasion, and they make it so quick, simple, and easy to do. I went online and I'll show you guys the cute little invitation that I picked out to send to my family and friends. It was so fun, honestly, to make because you're just gonna be creative with it and add your own personal touches to it. There are thousands of invitation template designs created by the community of professional artists to choose from, or you can even upload your own unique design. And Evite's design templates make it easy, fun, and simple to create an invitation so that everything you're celebrating is extra special. It only takes a few minutes to create and send invitations to everyone on your guest list, plus RSVP tracking is included, and you can even link Amazon or Target gift registries to your invites for your guests to use. Even if you're not planning an event or a party, but you have one that you want to attend, Evite also offers amazingly designed greeting cards that you can send. Evite makes all celebrations just more fun, more exciting, and just a little bit more special. If you guys have anything that you're planning this summer or somewhere that you're attending, head on over to evite.com/Madison to check out all the thousands of different design templates that they have, and you can create and send your own for free. All right, we are moving into the kitchen portion. As you see, our little kitchen area was already pretty tidy. I just had to remove a few things we had sitting around, but I love to keep this area nice and clean since that's where we eat during the day. This is what we have to tackle today. I am not the type of girl that builds up dishes, but Kyle and I had a really busy day doing a lot of yard work yesterday. We were installing a new garage. Guys, being a homeowner is no joke. We have been so busy. It seems like every day since we've moved in, but I think I'm starting to realize this is just what it means to be a homeowner. So tackle these dishes with me today. I don't know about you guys, but dishes are pretty much my least favorite task around the house. Kyle and I are always carrying around these giant water bottles. We love drinking our water, but the only thing is they're not dishwasher safe, so I have to hand clean them, and I like to give them a good wash, good scrub down every single weekend. Showing you guys some of my favorite cleaning products. I keep them all underneath our sink. We have cleaning products specifically for the kitchen, the shower, stainless steel cleaners, granite tile cleaners since we do have granite countertops, leather conditioning wipes for our leather chair, and of course all of the Bath & Body Works soaps. So the next thing I wanted to do was give our kitchen countertops a good wipe down since we have been cooking on them for the last week. I usually try to wipe down our counters every night after we eat, but I don't really give them a really good scrub until the weekend. So we've been using this granite countertop cleaner, which I just like to use to ensure that I'm treating our granite countertops nicely, since this is the first time I've ever had nice granite countertops. I like to give this sink a good scrub down, so I'm just using this Clorox disinfecting spray. This one smells really good, and I just like to let it soak on the sink for a little bit and then wash it out and rinse the sink with some water. Every now and then I'll have some stubborn stains in the sink, so I just take my little brush and I scrub it out. I wanted to spray down our coffee table as well, since I'm not gonna lie, we are definitely couch eaters. You guys, we're always eating when we watch TV. This is probably one of my favorite things to do. I don't know why it's so satisfying to me to get all the fingerprints off, but we love our stainless steel appliances, but I will say they do hold a lot of smudges and fingerprints as the week goes on, so it's always so nice at the end of a long week to go and just rub it down and buff out all of those fingerprints. Seems like as a new homeowner, most of my tasks consist of breaking down boxes daily, but that's just part of moving life. Now, in our sunroom area, I'm still really trying to figure out the whole decor thing. I bought these dry flowers from HomeGoods, and I tried my very best to make a presentation that I liked, but you guys, I sat with these for about 2 days, and I decided I just didn't like them. They just weren't doing it for me, and that's okay. Sometimes with decor, it's trial and error. You just have to find out what works, what doesn't work for you. Time to take out the trash. Luckily, we do have some dumpsters right behind our house, which is so nice. I know that's a luxury to have for us. I decided I was going to vacuum every room and every rug in the house as well this weekend, since we have yet to do that since we moved in. Now, in our sunroom, like I said, we're still kind of figuring out the decor in here. I like how it's coming along, but we have a long ways to go. As you see, the artwork on the walls is not complete yet. We have some stuff in the corner that we still need to put away, which I will definitely make Kyle put his toolbox away before the party on Saturday. We actually just bought this nice little crate for Nala. I decided I wanted a nicer looking crate instead of the hard iron one that we had before. This is kind of how it's turning out so far. Let me know what you guys think of it. Let me know what we should add, what we should change. I love having this little sunroom, but it's definitely been a challenge to decorate so far. Now, moving into the office, there honestly was not a lot that I needed to do in here. I really just needed to tidy up. We do still have a lot of boxes laying around, which we've kind of all kept in my office away from the eyes of other people, but I do really want to get these boxes out of the way by Saturday, just so we don't have so much clutter all around. So that's my goal for tomorrow, is to get all the furniture out, built, and throw these boxes away. This tall mirror is from Urban Outfitters. It's their XL floor mirror. I am obsessed with it, and it's actually really satisfying to clean. I tried to wipe it down once a week. Moving into the bathroom, we live in an older home in St. Louis. A lot of these older homes only have one bathroom, so it was just something that we kind of came to terms with when we were looking for houses down here, but it's a really, really nice bathroom, really updated. So really all I need to do in here today is just give it a good wipe down. I am using this Oxy cleaner on the shower tiles, the tub, the sink, the toilet. Pretty much everything is getting a good wipe down today. For the lighting. This video ended up taking all day to film, so it was dark outside by the time I was cleaning our bedroom, but I decided to show you guys how we make our bed anyway. This is our first time having a king bed. We love it so much. It's actually been so much fun to kind of play around with. Not so fun to make since it takes a whole journey to get over to the other side, but this is what we have so far. We just added some nightstand lamps, which I'm obsessed with, and I think our room just looks so cozy. We have some pictures that still need to be hung on the walls, which I'm showing you here, but overall the room is really starting to come together. Showing you guys the finished finished results. Our house looks so clean, so tidy. It's ready for our guests on Saturday. Thank you so much for coming along with me on today's Clean With Me video. I hope you guys are feeling more productive, more motivated to get up and clean your house too. Let me know if you guys want to see more of these type of Clean With Me or Decorate With Me style videos on my channel. Please hit that subscribe button and thumbs up if you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.